Ladies and gentlemen, my name's Zips and welcome back to Monster Train 2. Alright, last time we completed every single clan combination. Well, we didn't complete them all in every single, but me saying that implies that we completed them all in one go. That's not what we did. So for now, I think I just want to do some random, because that's what I am in the mood for. Although I might keep randomizing until we get something I actually want to play. And not like, I don't need like a good start, I want an interesting start. I'm down for Ekka. I'm very down for Ekka. Ekka, Stygian Guard, I'm down. Alright, anyway, we are taking on Savagery today with Rage Archean and Damage Shield Kale. We have Windja's Spirit with Starstruck, Offering Token, and Guard of the Unnamed. Alright. Seer Orb. I will take Versatile Ember Staff because Seer Orb doesn't sound very good. I guess we're taking Celestial Spellweaver. We sure do want to Incant. I don't think I'm going to take Luna Steward. I don't think that sounds very good to me. No Moon Cycling. I'm going to take Celestial Spellweaver. That sounds fine to me. Now, this early game is gonna be awkward, but 25 attack Ekka and a Guard of the Unnamed should hopefully be able to carry us through. I don't know if I want to take this trial, though. And I don't think I need to. I'm not gonna risk it. It is Ekka, so we are gonna be a little bit weaker early. But our spell, I haven't played Ekka in a while. I'm very down for some Ekkaing, and Stygian should appreciate the all this conduit that we're gaining. What's my turn looking like? Oh, let's get a different hand. Okay. Alright, we're winning. Is it close? Yeah. But are we winning? Also, yeah. Guard of the Unnamed is not the worst start. I do wish it was a Siren, though. Alright. Good stuff. I think I will be taking a Phase Blessing. That does sound quite good. Ooh, Ice Tornado. Sure. I'll take an Ice Tornado. That sounds fun. With all this conduit we're gaining, that sounds like it should be very nice. We'll go a Stygian Banner here. Multi-strike? Alright, show me something good. Definitely Nameless Siren in this run. Definitely Nameless Siren. Yeah, because I should already have, like, good backline. I should have, like, I should have survivability covered with Phase Blessing, so definitely this. Kind of wish I could get -1 space. I would have taken it if I could have afforded it. If only I took the trial. But I don't know if you actually win that combat with the trial. Oh, you know what? I'm kind of glad I didn't take it. Okay. This might be a run where we have, like, Ekka kills everything with spells. And we let Nameless Siren clean up and kill Relentless. What the vibe is feeling like to me so far. I also don't want to take this trial. I think I'll be okay. It's kind of weird how you have to play this. I'm gonna try. If only I could fit all these guys on the same floor. I'm gonna try for this first. Even though it doesn't look great. And as long as I, like, draw my... God damn it. God damn it. Thanks, Vengeful Shard. Okay, mm, Glurm. Well, that's... Alright, we did get unlucky. Alright, this doesn't work now. I tried to see if I could be greedy. I think what we do instead is we just play like this. We wait until we're allowed to pick up space, and then we play Ekka on the floor. Oh, but now my things are useless. All of my shit's useless. My witch weaves are such garbo. It is what it is. It is what it is. This Titan fight is gonna be a little tough, I feel. Am I really not winning this? Alright. Not cool. Killing my Siren before she gets the chance to win. Alright. Ekka cleans it up. Good job, Ekka. Yeah, definitely need... You gotta get that... God, I feel like I need space in this run. I probably do want another... Oh, Moon Pixie I will be able to play later. And more Conduit is good. I think I'll take a Moon Pixie here. Oh my god, that does say attuned on it, doesn't it? Sure. Sure, I guess so. What am I taking here? I don't really want to spend that much money. I should go here. Titan Sentry. Sure. I want to make sure I'm not... I want to super duper make sure I don't die in this next fight. Do I want holdover? Do I want something like holdover? I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna put a -2 onto this Ice Tornado, make it actually playable. You want like do you want like, yeah, holdover's Fate Blessing should be pretty good. Draft a card from your allied clan. Yo, give... Incantabilities trigger twice. Damn it. Damn it. At the end of the turn, apply Frozen. Wait, Tethys Scale sounds kind of fun, actually. Wait, that sounds kind of fun. You know what? Give me Tethys Scale. That sounds kind of fun. Actually, with how powerful our spells are gonna end up being, I don't know, man. It could do something. I think it could do something. I think there's a chance we could get some funny results here. I do like Titan Sentry more than the Guard of the Unnamed. And I must begin our Incant quest. This is gonna be quite interesting with the oh, I really wish I could play Ekka on the floor, but I can't. Because Woke. Woke doesn't want me to play Ekka on the floor. It's taken away all my space that allows me to play Ekka. It took it all away. It took the kid's tail. Woke took away the kids. What am I... Tails? I did like 3 different... like fucking... internet memes there in once. Like, that was... I missed my wife tails. Oh, jeez. Glurm. Alright, we're good. We're good. Nothing to worry about. This fight wasn't even close. And now that I can play Ekka on the floor, now we should be cruising. Deal damage to the front enemy unit equal to 2 times the number of spells in your deck times 3. Is this card actually good? I feel like I'd rather have duality. Shade Guard is good, but I already do have some tanky units. Alright. What are you showing me here? I think I do want Smidge Stone in this run. I could play Moon Pixie. I could take Moon Pixie off the floor, and then I could play another Siren. Now, am I doing Guard of the Unnamed, or am I doing Titan Sentry? Like what? Guard of the Unnamed doesn't get enough time to... to actually... never gets to actually do stuff. Let's give him some time to shine. I don't actually think I need Moonlit Glaive in this run, even though it is, like, good. I think I just want to stack as much conduit so I can blow people up with spells. I want a spell destruction. Spell it out for these enemies. That doesn't really, it's kind of that's kind of forced. God, I just realized how freaky the eyes on this thing look. Look at this one. This eye here is like freaked out. And I don't feel bad for him because these enemies are bastards. Also, I think I should have the HP in order to do this trial. I do like all this space I have on the floor to play another Siren. I need to incant. We get rid of anything that isn't a spell. Faux show. Damn, they're kind of getting my guy. Don't worry, I'll draw the survival card soon. I may have bottom decked it, but Jesus Christ. Oh, you see that damage output? Oh fuck, I need that thing. Goodbye, Ice Tornado. I need that one card. Hold on. Come back. Okay, they're not getting past all my HP. It's time for Ekka. It's time for Ekka to pop off. It's time for her to go crazy. Cuckoo crazy mode. Silver Ink? If I could draw more cards, if I had, like, the ability to get more cards in hand, I would take this. As is, it's kind of gimmicky. I think it's too gimmicky. Frenzied Swarm? I mean, I feel like my survivability should already be good in this run. The deck is also just kind of big. Now. I could make Planetarium deployable, and I should just make Planetarium deployable. I should just do that. What if I could have 2 Ekkas on the floor? Hold on. Wait. I'm thinking. Hold on. Hold it. Hold on a second. I'm thinking. Fuck, that'd be really funny. God damn it, would that be really fun? That has to be terrible. That has to be fucking awful. There's literally no way that's good. But it sounds so funny. Oh my god, it sounds so funny. So it's minus space. Hold on, I'm thinking. No, wait, can I actually just fit this? I can just fit this. Wait, no, I can actually just fit this. Because I have 7 space. Go down to 3. Let me cook. This can't be good. But does this not sound funny? Does this not sound funny? You can't stare me in the eyes and tell me that this doesn't sound funny. Max funny. Insane funny output on this one. So yeah, it goes you. And now there's 2 Ekkas. 2 bug flower ladies. Oh baby. Oh baby. Oh baby. The plant, alright. This might legitimately be like an all spell run. All my damage is gonna be coming through these fucking spells, man. Hey, wait. Guy getting past me. Get out of here. Blow up the floor. Oh my god, I do kind of hope that, like, I won't just be limited to witch weaves. But, like, I might. I might end up getting limited to witch weaves. Oh man, but like, look at all the conduit I have, man. Look at the double echoing. Oh god, that's a lot of damage I took here. Oh my god, this has to be so funny. Man, I should have taken that mage blade, man. I don't know what I was thinking. Frame rate? Frames? Oh, what happened to my frame rate there? I think I have enough conduit. I don't even think I need unarmed tongue. I just need spells. I don't even want to, like, duplicate a unit here. I just want, like, my spells to be better. So let's go, like... I don't hate doing something like this. This. Just a -1 is fine. Okay. I think the holdover on duality is really good. Duality and you just blow up is just a blow up a unit card. Alright. Anything cool here? Not really. Not really, no. Not really anything cool there. Now, if I take space again, I could play 2 sirens. No, I don't think I need to. Two Ekkas is way too funny. I think I'm taking, if I were to guess here, I'm probably taking energy. Play this bad boy, then blow you up. Blow that nerd up. Card draw would also be really good here, but it's quite difficult. Maybe I do want card draw, actually. No, I probably do want card draw in this deck, because a lot of my cards just cost 0. I would only really want energy for deployment phase. Yeah. Yeah. I think so. I think so. Alright, there's the duality. Now I get to blow up a unit every turn. I just get to blast. I love double Ekka. I love the double Ekkas. There's 2 of them now. There's 2. There's 2. There's 2 of them now. At some point in these fights, I can stop having to play. I can probably stop having to play Phase Blessing. No, this is 100% take card draw. 100% this is take card draw. I only really need to stack like 1 billion armor for Relentless. Like, you're hitting me so much here, but like, doesn't really matter. Oh, this is good. This is fun stuff. This is the good shit. Hey, you want to take Harness the Titans? There to like make your spells do more damage. That's something that I think we could have more of. I don't think this deck really does anything like that. Give me fucking Spell Chain, man. Jesus. I don't even really want any. I don't really want any of this. I guess I can put like a -1 on the Titans. And put like a -1 on Starstruck too. I'm gonna put Remove Consume on this Ice Tornado. I just remove all the units from this deck that I can't really play. Hey, I can remove the units from this deck that I can't really play. So that's like Titan Sentry and Moon Pixie. Yeah. Alright, cool. Let's get that level 3. Let's get that level 3 Ekka. Alright, this fight is going to be a great test of our strength. Oh my god, what if I just say fuck it and take the trial? Fuck it, take the trial. Oh shit. Let's dance. If one enemy walks past me, we lose the run. So, better not let anyone walk past you. Guys! Oh, wait. Get fucked. I'm goated. I'm so goated, man. Holy. How does he do it? Okay. I could take 1 hit from a sweep. Well, that's not very lucky to bottom deck the card I needed the fucking most, man. Oh, no, that's not good. Oh, my Starstruck missed. Oh, man. Not like... Bro, wait, no, just the fucking... Please! I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Fucking god damn it, man. Oh my goodness. Son of a bitch. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for trying to have fun. I'll never have fun again, I swear. I swear. I'll never have fun again. I'll spend the rest of my life making up for this mistake that I've made. God. Okay, I think I really do have to spend some of these on my back line. That's really sad. That's not great. I don't kill him. I don't kill his ass. Wait, is there actually an order I can get? No, I don't think there is. I don't think there's no order I can get for this to kill. God, of course I'd fucking bottom deck the card that I need the most. Of course I did. What were you expecting, really? And of course it's the one turn where, like, the fucking Tethy scale does nothing. Just my goddamn luck. This trial could kill him. Taking this trial could have killed me. Legitimately taking this trial could have killed me. Bro! Why did... Okay, God fucking... God damn it, Siren. Alright, how much damage is this? Ouch. Ouchie. But, like, look at this. I'm one-shotting the enemies. It has to be good. Wait. Hold on. Wait, get rid of your spell shield. Later, dumbass! Later, dumbass! Get out of here! Get the fuck out of here, man! You thought! Offering token hits all enemies. I should probably take it. Yeah, he actually thought. Oh, he thought he had a chance. Oh, he thought he had a shot. Oh, you poor fool. Doesn't this have permafrost? No. Oh, you poor little fool. Spell chain. About fucking time, man. About fucking time. You give me spell chain. Jesus Christ, man. It's about time. Yeah, I'm gonna get rid of these frozen lances. They're the lesser spells. Time you summon each turn. Oh boy! Oh, get ready for a big number. Hello, this is me, your host, Big Number 69, here to provide some very, very, very large numbers. Oh boy, let's do it. Let's fucking do it. It'd be really funny if something happened that just caused me to get like one shot on this first turn. It'd be very funny if we had some like freak accident. Okay, wait, no, I drew stun here. So I need to play this Titan Stoof, I'm pretty sure. Hold on, I'm thinking. Okay, that seems good. Oh, man. Oh, man. Okay, blow one guy up, kill the backliners, rid them from this plane. Jesus Christ, man. Jesus. Kill you. I finally drew my sustain. Deal 1,780 damage. Just like casually, you know. Restart. I'm not allowing this. I'm not allowing this to. No thanks. No thanks. I can't let that happen. Sorry. I cannot allow you to do that. I kind of need that card. I kind of need that card, man. Oh Jesus. That was scary for a second. Thank God we actually hit the guy. That could have ended badly. Okay. 515 armor should be enough, right? Oh my God. Look at all this conduit I have, man. Look at I 7,000 damage. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh baby. Okay, yeah. I should not have to play another phase blessing in this fight. Jesus Christ, man. Stand back. Ekka's popping off. Stand back, everyone. She's going insane. She's going crazy mode. Thank God I'm actually killing this heavy. Thank God that we have the siren here. I get pre-relentless killed by double Ekka savagery. I don't know what to tell you. Skill issue. Skill issue. Sorry. Better look next time. Oh, baby. Holy, we actually fucking hit Founding Seal, man. Oh, man. Oh, let's fucking go. Double Ekka. This is my dream run. This run is what hopes and dreams look like. I wish Savagery could receive a. I don't want to play this. Oh, what's the worst that could happen if I play Offering Token? I kind of wanted that card. I'm not gonna. Kind of wanted that card actually. See for this turn. Is this bad? No, we're fine. Yeah, we're fine. Oh yeah, we're fine. We're fine. Thank you. Was that Was that Versatile Ember Staff that drew me the card that I needed? Might have been that bad. Drew the card that I needed. Maybe. I wasn't really paying attention. I'm gonna be honest with you. I do actually, like, have to kill... To kill Savagery... Okay, Savagery's dead. To kill these guys, I actually do just have to kill them with... all our damage in this run just comes from spells. Like, that's just the truth. All our damage is coming from these spells. That's where it's all... Oh, spell weakness! Or spell shield! Holy... The spell shield is blocking like a fucking 1,008,000 damage here. I think that's how the numbers work. Jesus Christ, look at these two. See what these two dudes are popping off, man. Going, they were locking in. All right. Entropy is dead. We have won. I do not need to play Phase Blessing anymore. Jesus, man. Ah, how glorious. How perfect. I think I did less damage there to him. Hold up, I don't want you to kill my guys, though. Alrighty, I just need... one more. I'm gonna take my screenshot here, which is basically just gonna be Ekka and Hall of Mirror. Oh man, Hall of Mirror's duplicating champions always makes for such spicy runs. Alrighty, can I get the kill with Ice Tornado? I would like it if I could. Get Ice Tornadoed. Eat hail. Eat lead. Or in this case, hail. Oh, that was a banger. That was a fucking banger, man. Let's go. Ekka, favorite champion. Insanely banger run. Insane run. Ice Tornado. Cool. Did not have that card mastered. Mainly because I feel like I never really had, like, a situation where I could click on this. Like, Ice Tornado is like a good card, is like an okay card in a vacuum, but I feel like that you never, with it being like a uncommon card, I feel like you rarely see it, and also like rarely like have a reason to click on it over something else. I don't know. Anyway, that's gonna do it for this episode of Monster Train 2. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure to like, comment, and or subscribe. And all of you out there, have a nice day.